My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We are getting gas and head to the dirt bike races. It's only like a 30-minute drive. You guys joined me this morning. I basically just did my makeup really fast. I think I got ready within like 30, not quite 30, maybe 45 minutes or so. I just did a really quick look. And I brought my TeaMi. I have the skinny tea in there. So far it's been good. I've been putting honey in it. I put honey in all my tea, so it's just, I'm just used to having honey in all my teas, so that's what I've been doing. First place. We've pretty much just been home all day. Today's Sunday. To the dirt bike banquet. So that's what we're about to do. But we've literally just been home all day, not doing a lot of anything. Back from the banquet, they fed us and everything. I didn't really record too much. I should have, but they were kind of like all over the place. They were just announcing their winners and things like that. Now we're just home. These guys are gonna play a little bit of I think they're playing Minecraft. Yeah, they're gonna play a little bit of Minecraft. We put Thame's game in the living room so they could play in the living room, because normally he plays in his room, but sometimes I feel a little bit lonely in the living room by myself, so I'm just like, tell them to play in here with me. I start work tomorrow, so Thame doesn't go to school, so he's gonna go hang out with my mom. Vlogging. We came to get some cookies.
They're like, oh, sorry, we're fresh out of cookies.
Hi, good, how are you? Good. We got, this one is keto, and I think they said it was like a pumpkin something in there. And then these are the cookies. Peanut butter, cookies and cream. And they had like butterscotch and something else, but these are what we went with. Me and Thame left the track. Tom's just gonna practice, so me and Thame came to, well, they're gonna practice and do a bunch of other things before they actually start the race. So me and Thame came to Hobby Lobby, and this is actually my first time ever coming to Hobby Lobby, and oh my gosh, like, there's so much. I came here for planner stuff, but then there's like pictures and everything that I'm just like, I need this, I need this, I need this for my house, so. Like, they have so many pictures. You can decorate your house, and it is literally insane. Like, if I could start my house, oh my god, look at that. So I see they have some of these, and this one is actually really freaking cute too. Looks like that one's on sale for only 10 bucks, and this one is 40, which is about what I paid for mine. This one has like little women in it. It's like bright colors. So that one's super freaking cute. It's the same brand as mine. And then they have some inserts right here, which I'm probably gonna grab one of these, because these are like little pockets. I think that's cute. And then I'm probably gonna grab, well, I don't know. I know they have more planner stuff, so maybe I'll wait and go down there. But there's like a mini planner, which I like this mini planner. It kind of shows like what's on the back. That is so cute. And they have some washi tape, so I'm probably gonna keep walking and see what they have. Let's go down here, Thame. I've seen this one. This one's pretty. I'm gonna go look cute too. And then they have like everything that goes with this one. This is so convenient. I should have waited and came here, but I'm still super happy with the planner that I got, because they might not even have it here. So Okay, so I literally just found my planner that I bought, and they only have it here for 10 bucks, and I paid like 40 for mine online. So I should have waited and came here, but they have all the stuff that match it too. So I'm definitely gonna grab me some, and they have like a bunch more washi tape and things down here. So I'm going crazy, but I'm excited, so. And then if you're ever just looking for a planner, I started out with the Happy Planner, which all of these are, and you can also remove the pages or you can insert pages. You can buy inserts for them. So the Happy Planner is like where I originally first started, and I love. There's so many different kinds, just depends on what kind of layout you want, pretty much. So cool. I'm extremely happy. Oh, they even have like little kits down there, so you can have stickers and pretty much everything all in one, and you can change the rings. What are they? What is this? Notebook. Oh, it's like a tiny Happy Planner. Okay, we're about to go into the mall. I need to pick up some perfume for my mom, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we're maybe gonna go eat after this, maybe go, I don't know, we're just kind of like a lounge Sunday, so we're just kind of shopping around, doing really anything.
Pretty much.
We're headed to another mall. We were in Salt Lake, but we came down to Provo because I'm trying to find my mom's perfume and they didn't have it. So now we're going to the dealers down here. I actually called down here and they said they had one left, and I was like, okay, hold it for me and I will be there. So, and I'm trying to find a standing desk, and we went into Bed Bath & Beyond, and we went into Office Depot, and they had no standing desk. So most likely I'm gonna have to just order me one online, which I was going to do originally. Then we're gonna go home after this. Yay! Says they got Wi-Fi here. Oh, it's warm right there.